Good afternoon, students. Last class we have already started derivative of a composite function. Derivative of a composite function. गोटे composite function रो derivative केमिति करिवा ताहा हमें गत क्लास रो स्टार्ट करि सारिछंती. Now we have to recall this. याको recall करिवा एवं आगो को जिवा. तेबे आमे जानिचंती गोटे कंपोजिट फंक्शन तार जनरल फॉर्म केमिति ना लेट y is equal to f of gx. Let y is equal to f of gx. ताले here there are two functions f and g. This is a composite function. Now we have to write this in the standard form. That is, this can be written as f of u, where u is equal to gx. U is equal to gx. Now y is equal to fu and u is equal to gx. Both are in standard form. At first, we differentiate y is equal to fu. From this, we have dy by dx, dy by du is equal to f dash u. Similarly, du by dx is equal to g dash x. But our aim is to find out dy by dx. dy by dx आमे बाहर करिबा. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. तले हमें प्रथम पाइछंती dy by du एवं सेकंड पाइछंती du by dx. तले dy by dx can be written as dy by du into du by dx, which is equal to, this is f dash u into du by dx is equal to g dash x. That is derivative of outer function into derivative of inner function, which is equal to, ताको हमें केते लिखिबा, which is equal to f dash gx into g dash x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to f dash gx into g dash x. That is derivative of outer function into derivative of inner function. Similarly, if y is equal to f of g of hx, y is equal to f of g of hx. That is, there are three functions. Now this can be written as f of u, where u is equal to g of hx, which can be written as g of v, where v is equal to hx. Now we will get three standard form, such as y is equal to fu, u is equal to gv, and v is equal to hx. Now if we differentiate these, we will get dy by du is equal to f dash u, and du by dv is equal to du by dv is equal to g dash v, and dv by dx is equal to h dash x. That is dv by dx is equal to h dash x. But our aim is to find out dy by dx. किंतु हमर एम होउची dy by dx बाहर करिवा. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dx. This equal to f dash u into g dash v into h dash x. H dash x, which is equal to f dash g of hx into g dash v रो वैल्यू आमे केते नै चंदी hx into h dash x. This will be the answer. तेणु तीनोटी फंक्शन नहीं जदि आमे कंपोजिट फॉर्म पाउचंदी ताले तार डेरिवेटिव एई मेथड रे हबो. This method or this process or this rule is called chain rule. That is dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dx. This rule is called chain rule. This rule is called chain rule. This rule is called the chain rule. ए रूल को आमे चेन रूल कहिबा. तले ए चेन रूल माध्यम रे आमे प्रत्येक कंपोजिट फंक्शन रो डेरिवेटिव करि परिबा. हला वर्तमान आमे केतोटी एग्जांपल नेबा. एग्जांपल माध्यम रे देखिबा चेन रूल द्वारा किपरि डेरिवेटिव होउची. नाउ example first find dy by dx when first, that is y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1 to the power 5. Second, y is equal to cot q x. Third, y is equal to cos of ln x whole square. चले ए तीनोटी एग्जांपल कले आमे बुझी परिबा केमिति कंपोजिट फंक्शन रो डेरिवेटिव होउची सॉल्यूशन करिवा सॉल्यूशन first given that y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1 whole to the power 5. This is in the form of x to the power n. This is the standard form. Y is equal to x to the power n is the standard form. एई फॉर्म रे एक क्वेश्चन टी अछि तेनु एई जो समथिंग रहिला x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 1 याकू आमे सिंगल वेरिएबल x फॉर्म रे लिखिबा therefore this can be written as u to the power 5 where u is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1. Now we have two standard forms. From first we will get dy by du, that is x to the power n thile तार डेरिवेटिव n into x to the power n minus 1 हुए तेणु एठी आमे कोन लिखिबा ना 5 into u to the power 5 minus 1 लिखिबा this equal to 5 into u to the power 4 5 into u to the power 4. Similarly from this du by dx this equal to d by dx of x square plus 2x minus 1. u परिवर्ते आमे लेखिले x square plus 2x minus 1. Now this equal to here there are three functions from algebra of derivatives आमे कोन पाई छंती जदी फंक्शन टी u plus v plus w फॉर्म रे थाए तले प्रथम रे u रो डेरिवेटिव हेबो तापरे v रो डेरिवेटिव हेबो तापरे w रो डेरिवेटिव हेबो तेनु x स्क्वायर रो डेरिवेटिव आमे केते पाइबा ना 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 that is 2x plus second that is 2x आमे गोटे फार्मूला जानि चंती डेरिवेटिव ऑफ k into u k is any constant तेनु k टाकू बाहर को नेले तापरे फंक्शन रो डेरिवेटिव करिबा तले एठी 2 टा बाहर को आसीबो आउ x रो डेरिवेटिव होउची 1 तेनु 1 लिखिबा माइनस 1 रो डेरिवेटिव 1 is a constant quantity therefore derivative of constant is 0. Therefore this equal to 2 into x plus 1. But our aim is to find out dy by dx. Question कहिछि dy by dx बाहर करिबा ताले dy by dx केते हबो now dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx this equal to dy by du केते पाई छंती ना 5 into तेनु आमे फाइनली रिजल्ट पाइले कोन ना dy by dx is equal to 10 into x plus 1 into x square plus 2x minus 1 to the power 4. Now second bit को जिबा that is y is equal to cot q x. This is also in the form of x to the power n. आमे cot x रो डेरिवेटिव जानी छंती किंतु cot q रो जानी नाहंती तेणु कोन करिवा ना एटा को कंपोजिट फंक्शन फॉर्म रे आगे लिखिबा u to the power 3 where u is equal to cot x. Now differentiating we have dy by du is equal to 3u square and here du by dx is equal to cot x रो डेरिवेटिव केते माइनस cosec square x minus cosec square x. Now we have to find dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx, which is equal to 3u square into minus cosec square x minus cosec square x, which is equal to minus 3 u रो वैल्यू हमें केते नै चंती ना cot x that is 3 cot square x into cosec square x. This will be the result. Similarly bit 3 third bit को हमें दिबा third bit कोन कहूची third bit that is y is equal to cos ln x whole square. Now this is a composite function. Here we know that the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, but here cos of something जो something अछि ताकू हमें u धरिबा तले this equal to cos u where u is equal to ln x whole square. ये मध्य गोटे कंपोजिट फंक्शन कारण आमे ln x रो डेरिवेटिव जानि छंती किंतु ताहार स्क्वायर रो डेरिवेटिव जानि नाहंती. Therefore this can be written as v square where v is equal to ln x. Now differentiating these we have dy by du is equal to minus sin u, du by dv is equal to here u is equal to v square, therefore du by dv is equal to 2v and last that is v is equal to ln x, that is dv by dx is equal to derivative of ln x is 1 by x, this equal to 1 by x. Now we have to write the value dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dx, which is equal to dy by du पाई चंदे हमें minus sin u into du by dv पाई चंदी 2v into dv by dx पाई चंदी 1 by x, which is equal to minus sin ln x square into 2 ln x into 1 by x, which is equal to minus 2 sin ln x square into ln x by x. This will be the result. तेणु वर्तमान एई एग्जांपल रु आमे बुझी पारिले जे चेन रूल द्वारा आमे किपरि कंपोजिट फंक्शन रो डेरिवेटिव करि परिबा। प्रथम रे हमकु गिवन फंक्शन को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रे लिखिबा को पड़िबो, तापरे जाई आमे डेरिवेटिव करी चेन रूल अप्लाई करिबा एवं रिजल्ट पाइबा। तले नाउ we will discuss about some standard formula of composite function. Composite function को बेस करी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला किछि देखिबा। सेगुडा को कोन ना फर्स्ट होची sin ax plus b, sin ax plus b तार डेरिवेटिव, sin ax plus b रो डेरिवेटिव। ता पूर्वरु आमे प्रथम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म लिखिबा, सेटा को देखिबा रहो। दैट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ax plus b to the power n, ax plus b to the power n। ताले यार डेरिवेटिव हमें किपरि करिबा ना यार सॉल्यूशन, लेट y is equal to ax plus b to the power n, ax plus b to the power n, which can be written as u to the power n, where u is equal to ax plus b. That implies dy by du is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1, and from here du by dx is equal to derivative of ax plus derivative of b. Here a is constant, बाहर को नहीं आसीबा, तले x रो डेरिवेटिव हैला 1, a into 1 that is a, and derivative of b is 0. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx, which is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into a, which is equal to n into ax plus b to the power n minus 1 into a. Therefore derivative of ax plus b to the power n is equal to, आमे जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म जानी चंती समथिंग टू द पावर n अच्छे एठी, किंतु आमे फार्मूला जानी चंती x टू द पावर n रो डेरिवेटिव। तेनु एटा को आमे लिखिबा n into x plus b to the power n minus 1 into the coefficient of x, x रो coefficient by x रो सहगटा को मल्टीप्लाई करिया को पड़िबो। Therefore this is n into ax plus b to the power n minus 1 into a। तले कंपोजिट फंक्शन रो डेरिवेटिव एई फार्मूला अनुसार हमें पाई परिबा। किंतु जेते बेले हमें एग्जाम रे सॉल्व करिबा सबु बेले ए प्रकार प्रूव करी कौन सी फार्मूला रो रिजल्ट पाइबा एवं अप्लाई करिबा, एटा होची कोन ना टाइम टेकिंग, तेणु आमे कौन करिबा ना किछि सूत्र को मुहे मुहे आमे अप्लाई करि परिबा केमिति ना एटा जेपरि कले ठीक सही भली आमे देखिबा वर्तमान similarly derivative of sin ax plus b is equal to sin रो डेरिवेटिव हला cos ax plus b into x रो कोएफिशिएंट a हमें लिखिबा तले ए बडी अप्लाई करले हमें डायरेक्ट अप्लाई करि परिबा सेही बडी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log base a bx plus c तले हमें log x to the base a रो डेरिवेटिव जानि चंदी केते ना 1 by bx plus c into ln a एटाला फार्मूला अनुसार हमें पाइले किंतु x रो कोएफिशिएंट हमको मल्टीप्लाई करिया को पड़िबो x रो कोएफिशिएंट होची b तेनु एठी हमें b मल्टीप्लाई करिबा सिमिलरली डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a to the power bx plus c derivative of a to the power bx plus c this equal to a to the power x रो डेरिवेटिव हमें जानि चंती a to the power x into ln a सही फार्मूला अनुसार हमें लिखिबा a to the power bx plus c into ln a फार्मूला अनुसार लिखिले किंतु x रो कोएफिशिएंट मल्टीप्लाई करिया को पड़िबो into b सेही भली आउ कोन पाइबा डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e to the power ax plus b तले हमें जानि चंती e to the power x रो डेरिवेटिव e to the power x सेही भली एठी मध्ये लिखि परिबा e to the power ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b that is x रो कोएफिशिएंट a लिखिबा तले आमे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रे जेति की फार्मूला पाई चंती सब गुडा को कंपोजिट फॉर्म रे लिखि परिबा एवं x रो कोएफिशिएंट टाको आमे मल्टीप्लाई करूथिबा डेरिवेटिव फार्मूला यूज करिबा एवं x रो कोएफिशिएंट मल्टीप्लाई करी देखिबा सेही भली जति गोटिए फंक्शन रहउची कोन ना डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u to the power n here the function is u to the power n अर्थात एटी u थिला बेले एटी x अछि तेनु with respect to x डेरिवेटिव करिवा बेलकू आमे कोन करिबा ना एटा को कांस्टेंट नेबा कथा किंतु यार डेरिवेटिव कहिछि माने आमे कोन करिबा ना एटा को लिखि परिबा जे n into u to the power n minus 1 फॉर्मूला लिखिबा into du by dx मल्टीप्लाई करिबा हेले डेरिवेटिव हेई परिबो अदरवाइज जदि कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी ऊपर नेबा ताले तार डेरिवेटिव 0 हे जिवो हला तेनु एई भली मध्ये आमे फार्मूला यूज करी परिबा ताले कंपोजिट फंक्शन रे आमे जेति की पढिले गोटा एक्सरसाइज आसीची से एक्सरसाइज को आमे करिबा एवं जेउ क्वेश्चन डाउट हबो पुनी क्वेश्चन करिबा किंतु ए पर्यंत तुमे केही क्वेश्चन करी पारु ना तबे आज एति की थाउ नेक्स्ट क्लास रे देखिबा थैंक यू।